Okay, class 9, this is your part 6 video from exercise 1.5, and today we start question number 1 subpart 1. Okay, 3 4 root 5, and the first question is rationalize the denominator. What do you mean by rationalize the denominator? Whatever is written in the denominator, you rationalize it. That means you again multiply the full number by the denominator number, but the denominator number you written in both sides, numerator and denominator in both. Okay, that means whatever written in denominator, so you write 4 root 5, 4 root 5. This is means you rationalize the denominator. That means you write the denominator portion up down both. Okay, so when you multiply this one, this 3 into 4 root 5, but you multiply this one 4 4s are 16, clear, into root 5 it's single 5. Okay, so 3 into 4 it's 12 root 5, 3 4s are 12 root 5, and 6 5s are 18. So your answer, if you want to cut the 430, 4 3s are 12 and 4 20s are. So your answer is 3 root 5 by 20. Clear? Again I repeat, rationalize the denominator means what? Whatever the written in the denominator, you rationalize. That means you multiply ups and down. So 3 4s are 12 root 5 and 4 4s are 16 root 5 5, 16 5s are 80. Done. You cut it down if you want. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 20s are 80. So 3 root 5 by 20. Okay. Now I show you the different one. Number 4, 17 upon root 3 root 2 plus 1. Okay, see it clearly. You rationalize the denominator. What is written here? 3 root 2 plus 1. That means you multiply 3 root 2 1, 3 root 2 1. But sign is opposite. What is here? Plus, so here is minus. Done? Okay. Multiply this to 1. 17, we write that 3 root 2 minus 1. Okay, now this one. You see 3 root 2 plus 1, 3 root 2 minus 1. It's look like na? A plus B, A minus B. Okay. And we know that very well, formula of A plus B and A minus B is what? A square minus B square. We consider 3 root 2 as A and this one is B. See, A, this one is B, this one is A, this one is B. So A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B minus B what? A square minus B square. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Clear? So 17 3 root 2 minus 1, 3 root 2 square. Square of 3 is 9 into root 2 square is 2. Clear? Minus 1 square is 1. Clear? So 17 3 root 2 minus 1, 9 2s are 18 minus 1. So 17 3 root 2 minus 1, 18 minus 1, 17. So 77, cut it down, 3 root 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is your answer. Now it's time for 2 subpart 1. 7 plus 3 root 5 by 7 minus 3 root 5. Okay, again I repeat, you rationalize from the denominator. What is written in the denominator? 7 minus 3 root 5. Okay, that means 7 3 root 5, 7 3 root 5, but you put the sign opposite from here. What is here? Minus, so you write plus or plus. Done? Okay, 7 plus 3 root 5, 7 plus 3 root 5. Multiply, that is 7 plus 3 root 5 whole square Okay, again I repeat, a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b or a plus b, it's a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. Done. Okay, so this is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Done. And this is 7 square. 7 square is 7 into 7, 49 minus 3 root 5 square. Square of 3, it's 3 into 3, 9 into root 5 square. Root 5 square means what? Root 5 square means what? Root 5 into root 5. That means single 5. Okay, 1. So 5. So 9 into 5. Clear? 7 square is 49 plus 3 root 5 square, 3 square 9 into root 5 square, it's 5 plus 2 7 14, 14 3 ja 42 root 5, 42 root 5. Okay, and 49 minus 9 into 5, it's 45. So 49 plus 45 plus 42 root 5 by 49 minus 5, it's 4. So it's 94 plus 42 root 5 by 4. If you want to take common 2, so if you take common 2, that is 47 plus 21 root 5. So answer is 47 plus 21 root 5 by 2. We know that taking common, that means was 2 divided 94 is 47 and 2 divided 42 is 21. So 2 cut it down 4, 2. So answer is 47 plus 21 root 5 by 2. Now question number 3. 7 root 3 upon root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 upon root 15 plus 3 root 2. 7 root 3, 10 root 3, okay, 15 minus. Okay. So you see question like this and rationalize one by one. Okay. So first of all we rationalize this one. 7 root 3 upon root 10 plus root 3 multiply root 10 minus root 3. Why minus? Because here is plus. Root 10 minus root 3 minus 2 root 5 root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 root 6 minus root 5. Done. 3 root 2 root 15 plus 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2. Clear? Okay. So we write 7 root 3 multiply root 10 minus root 3. A plus b, a minus b. That means what? A square minus b square. Clear? Minus 2 root 5 multiply root 6 minus root 5. Again a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Clear? 3 root 2 root 15 minus 3 root 2 by a plus b, a minus b, that is root 15 square minus 3 root 2 square. Clear? So you see 7 root 3 root 10 minus root 3 root 10 square, that is 10, root 3 square, it's 3, 10 minus 3 minus 2 root 5 root 6 minus root 5, root 6 square is 6, root 5 square is 5 minus 3 root 2 root 15 minus 3 root 2, root 15 square is 15 minus 3 square is 9 and root c 3 root 2 square, 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2, 9 2 ja 18. Done. So 7 root 3 root 10 minus root 3 by 10 minus 3 7 minus 2 root 5 root 6 minus root 5, 6 minus 5 it's 1 minus 3 root 2 root 15 minus 3 root 2, 15 minus 8 is minus 3, so this minus that is minus minus plus. Done. 7 divided 7, 1 divided this one 7. So I need a space. Erase the first line. You see root 3 into root 10, that is root 30 minus root 3 into 3, it's 3 minus 2 root 5 into root 6, 2 is 2, root 5 into root 6, that is root 30. So root 5 into root 6, root 30 into 2, that is 2 root 30. Done. Minus plus root 5 5, again I repeat, root 5 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, plus 3 root 2 into 15, root 15 into root 2, root 15 into root 2, root 30 into 3, that is 3 root 30. Clear? Okay. Some sign is mistake here, na? So root 30, that is minus root 30, sine minus 2 root 5. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 2 2s are, see here root 2 is 2 and 3 3s are 9 is 18. Somewhere is mistake, na? Root 3 root 2 root 15 plus 3 root 2. Okay. Oh, so here 3 also cancel. Okay. So root 2 or root 15, it's plus root 30, root 2 or root 15, root 30 minus root 2 2 and 3 ja 6. Clear? Again I repeat, root 5 5 and 2 ja 10 up to here, and 2 into root 15 is root 30 minus root 2 2, 3 ja 6. Okay. So you see root 30 that is 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30, okay, plus 10 minus 3 or minus 6, it's minus 9, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So root 2 30 2 root 30, cut it down, 10 minus 9 is 1, so the answer is 1. Again I repeat the last portion here. If you have any kind of problem, root 3 into 30 is root 30 minus root 3 minus root 5 into root 6, 30 into 2 root 30 minus plus root 5 into root 5, it's 5 and 2, 2 root 2 into 5, it's 10 plus, okay, root 2 into root 15, root 13 plus minus minus root 2 2 and 2 into 3 6, okay. So root 30 plus root 30 plus 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30 plus 10 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So 2 root 30 2 root 30 cancel down, 10 minus 9 it's 1, okay.